Good morning. Today we're going to talk about where we are determining intervals of end behavior of functions and interval behavior. So we remember that to find the end behavior, you're describing the left side, which you would say x approaches negative infinity, and then you're going to talk about what y is doing. And then if you're talking about the far right, you're going to talk about x approaching positive infinity, and then you'll talk about what y is doing. Now, interval behavior is going to describe where it is increasing or decreasing. So we're going to talk about these little intervals from where it's going up and then it stops going up, and then we're going to talk about it where it's going down and then where it turns again. So right now I want you to enter this function into your calculator. It's just going to be y equals x squared minus 5x minus 6. Put it right in your calculator, then go to your table, and then graph it on the graph paper that I gave you. Now hit pause if you haven't finished, but describe the graph. So here's the points that I plotted, and I used my table feature of my calculator. So remember, second graph will get you to the table, and then you graph it. I'm going to connect these dots as best I can. They're not very good, but that's about as good as it's going to get for now. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to describe the left side of the graph. So on the left side, we say x is approaching negative infinity. What is y doing? Well, y is going up, so going up means it's going to infinity. And then on the right side, x is approaching positive infinity, so y is also going up. Okay, so I fixed the color of my graph because we're getting ready to color some things. So now we're going to color where the interval is increasing. So I'm going to make it red. So think of it as a roller coaster. If you started at the left side of the graph and you went and followed the line, I'm going to draw another black line going. You went down. You're going down. You're not increasing. You're going to turn at the bottom, and then once you start going up, that's where you're increasing. So I just want you to color the part where it is increasing. Now we're going to color the part where it is decreasing. So D is the second part. We're going to do a different color, decreasing. So think on the left side from left to right. It is decreasing. If you were on a roller coaster, you would be dropping very quickly. All right, and now I want you to color with a different color the turning points. Now, some graphs have more than one turning point, so think about it. If you were on this roller coaster, where would you turn and start going either up or down? It would turn right about here. So all I want you to do is color that. Okay, so pause this if you need to finish it and check it. But for your assignment today, I want you to use your graphing calculator, and I want you to graph this function right here. Y equals negative 0.3x cubed plus 4x. Go in your table and plot some points. Go on your graph, and I want you to graph it. And then I want you to describe your graph on the left side, the right side, increasing, decreasing, and turning points. So I'm going to erase all this so you can go ahead and get started on that. If you finish during class today, you can turn it in. If you are finishing your test, then this is due for homework tomorrow. All right, have a great day.